10 years ago, I was a single mom with my oldest. I had about $20 left in my bank account from my savings. I took some time off. I had left my corporate job in the health and fitness industry. I knew that I wanted to be there for my daughter, and I did not want to work full-time for another company, and I did not know how I was going to do it. I was in a situation where I needed help and support, and I, through that situation, found an opportunity to also help others. I enjoy and love helping others so much. So through trust and a leap of faith and taking some deep meditative walks with my daughter, while I was receiving advice to go back to my corporate job, my heart kept telling me not to. My heart kept telling me that there's something else and that there is a way to take care of her and yet give back. And so my company, International Parenting and Health Institute, was born. I started out with 3 women. So here we are in 46 countries, over 3,000 graduates, 20 instructors representing our variety of programs in 9 different languages. It is a tremendous blessing, a tremendous gift. I am so happy to serve. I am so happy to make a difference in this world. It was through my challenging situation where I had used up all my savings. I did not know how I was going to pay rent. I did not know how I was going to take care of my daughter. Yet I knew in my heart that there was a way not only to help us, but to also help others. And through this challenging situation, I was given an opportunity not only to find a solution, but to give back in a tremendous way. I couldn't be happier and more grateful to be offering all of you and sharing with all of you the vision and the gifts, the education that I have received to support parents and their children. Every program that you see is available through our institute are programs that were birthed out of needs of families and their children. Every program was designed in a way that took into consideration informed decisions, options, understanding that while we all may go through similar challenges, the solutions need to be customized. The solutions really depend on individual situations and what we're going through and all of the logistics behind that. One of the core values of our institute is to get to the root of each challenge, to really do a full evaluation of what is going on, to meet clients where they're at, to really understand who they are and what we're working with, and then support them specifically in that process in a very customized way, not in a cookie cutter way or a way that just is a one size fits all, but in a way that is, again, specifically customized to support the needs of each family. Out of this vision, out of this need to receiving help and then wanting to give back and help others, my journey and path led me to training professionals and showing professionals exactly how I work with families, the vision that I have. I have participated in a number of programs across many different fields. So from yoga to Pilates, to group exercise, to personal training, to sleep, to nutrition, to wellness, stress management, you name it, I have pretty much taken as many programs as possible. I call myself a learning junkie. I enjoy learning so much. I enjoy understanding how things work, how they connect, how they fit together. And so through my path of learning and by exploring many different fields under the umbrella of health and fitness and parenting, I have been able to connect the dots across the various fields and able then to provide a very integrative, cutting edge and holistic approach to everything that we do and we offer. So here we are, 10 years later since I began this institute with 3 women. We're now in 46 countries, 9 different languages, over 3,000 graduates. For me to have the ability to sit here before you, a mother of 2 young children, I can't express to you how grateful I am.